Hey there. Ready for a professional-grade trading platform with advanced charts, tools, and real-time data? Schwab's thinkorswim platform is a powerhouse for serious traders, and it's free for all Schwab clients. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to get started. Download thinkorswim for desktop or the thinkorswim mobile app. Log in with your standard Schwab credentials. The interface is highly customizable but can be overwhelming at first. Spend time in the Learning Center within thinkorswim itself. Start with the pre-built workspaces like Default or Option Trading, which organize charts, watch lists, and order tickets in a logical layout. My crucial pro tip? Use the paper money virtual trading feature first. Before risking real capital, use the built-in simulator. It gives you $200,000 in virtual funds to practice complex strategies, test scanners, and get comfortable with the platform's depth without any financial risk. That's your gateway to institutional-level trading tools. Are you interested in thinkorswim for its charting, options analysis, or backtesting tools? Tell me what draws you to it below. For advanced trading guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.